Want to share your current location easily in an iMessage? Whether you're meeting up with friends or need to share where you are, it's simple to send your location directly through iMessage. Here's how to do it. Solution 1. Share a location using iMessage. Open the Messages app, start a new conversation, or open an existing one. Tap the plus icon or App Store icon next to the text input field. Tap the location icon, select location, tap share. Choose to share your location for indefinitely until end of day or share indefinitely. Solution 2. Share location using Google or Apple Maps. Open the Google Maps app, tap the blue dot, tap share location, choose the contact or you can. Tap more option to share your location with anyone you may like. For Apple, map process is the same. As well, by following these steps, you can easily share your current location in iMessage. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.